Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A while back, I made a video called Show Size. And your size is shown right there. It's a 10 by 10. But if you put a hotkey, you get it right there. And I'm going to show you how to create that hotkey. My ratio is locked. That's the problem the gentleman is having. He wants to make this one, or let's say this one, he wants to make it 5 by 2. Well, it isn't going to do it. It's going to make it 2 by 2 because his ratio is locked. So if you have your ratio unlocked, and you go 5 by 1, it's going to make it 501. So that's his problem. He was not figuring out that. So let's make that hotkey. So let's go to Tools, Options, Customization. Now you're not going to know which size. If we type in size, this is a little bit of information. So there's two sizes. Well, there's more than two, but there are two that look identical. Well, you don't know which one it is. But if you'll go right here, watch when I click on that, it tells you it's this one. Now I have a hotkey as 0 or O, so I'm already set. But if you didn't have that, let's delete that. And then type in your new hotkey, and let's call it O again. Hit assign, say OK. So then when you click on your item, you hit the O on your keyboard and you get it right there. But if your ratio is locked, you're going to get the same thing. So let's make it 7.5 by 2 and then hit enter. So it made it 7.5 by 2. That's right there. It's not that big of a macro, but you have to have your ratio locked or unlocked. I don't really see the big advantage to it. I never really use it. But it is kind of neat to have that right there. You know, if you were zoomed in, let's zoom in on that spot. And you go O. I didn't have it selected. Go O. There you can change it. But if your ratio's unlocked, it's going to do the same thing. So we're going to make it 2 by 10. And look what it did. So it's maybe got its advantage. I don't know if it's all that. He called it a macro. It's not a macro. It's just a hotkey. Anyway, hope that helped somebody and helped him. Thank you for watching.